さんが転んだ。ギレ。チュッチュチュッチュ。
なんだよこれ。
だるお姉さんが転んだ。
So those were some gruesome visuals from a movie named As the Gods Will. It is a Japanese movie. When I also watched these visuals, I also wanted to watch this movie. But when I tried to download it at my college, then let's see what happened. As I am connected to the Wi-Fi of my college, as you can see here, so I'm gonna open the Chrome browser now and search for the website YTS. And as I clicked on the website is blocked by my college. So what solution I have now here is that I'm gonna go to home screen, open ExpressVPN and connect to any server which I find the fastest. So I'm here, I'm gonna connect with New York server and now it is connected. Now let me open the website again, yts.mx, and the page has refreshed and I'm gonna click on the website. Oh my god! Wow! The website is opened now, so I can search whatever movie I want. As I earlier mentioned, I wanted to watch As the Gods Will, the Japanese movie, so I'm gonna search for that here in the search bar, As Gods Will. Tap on the search button. Now here is the movie which I wanted to watch, so click on it and select the pixel quality whatever I want to watch. It may be 720 pixel or 1080 pixel Blu-ray. So the torrent has been downloaded and added to the Tordroid application. Now the downloading of the movie has started, as you can see clearly. So that was it for today, and there is one spoiler alert for you. The movie's plot and the film's story is just like the latest Squid Game. If anyone has not watched Squid Game, it is available on Netflix. Thank you. So before moving out, please subscribe to our channel and put a comment for more informative videos like this. Thank you.